So it's a big day. This is our first official video recorded bike unboxing, new bike day.
New bike day.
So we're very excited. We got kind of a partnership with REVR. They sent us this bike.
New bike day. New bike day.
Just very excited to unbox this thing, build it, take it for a spin, and show you guys how it goes.
New bike day. New bike day.
So this is the unboxing video for the REVR V5 Pro. What the fuck?
Nah, just playing. But let's talk about new bike day. So my lovely assistant and I are about to unbox the REVR V5 Pro. And the color of the bike on the inside is a surprise to me, so I'm really excited about that. However, I usually do stay behind the scenes of all this cool stuff, but he really insists that I get my hands dirty today. Yes. So this will be the first time I unbox a bike and help assemble it that he's actually gonna ride. And my name is Tara, we're with A-Lectric Motorsports, and let's go.
Oh.
All right, well, that was fun. The things that I can think of that I really loved about the bike, well, the color of it, you know, it was the big reveal surprise for me, is awesome. I got so pumped when I opened the box and saw like how retro it looked. My dad actually had a moped when he was younger that I remember like seeing when I was a little kid, and
over there.
It was super cool. And that's what this reminded me of. So it was like there's some nostalgia to it, which is just super awesome. Looks alone, 10 out of 10. The other thing that I found was awesome is I'm like barely 5'2", so a lot of the e-bikes are kind of hard for me to ride because I'm short. And I underestimated this one. I thought it would be kind of like the others, so I was weary getting on it. And then when I did and realized how lightweight it was and how my feet can touch the ground effortlessly, that was huge. So if you are a short person, this bike will be perfect for you. It was really easy for me to handle too. I felt really comfortable on it. And that's just me by myself. My little mini-me rode with me, and so that was easy too. We were both light enough to just be able to maneuver the bike and feel super safe and comfortable on it. So yeah, this bike was great for short people and for family, and looks awesome. So that's what I have to say. Jake has a whole nother experience than I do, though, as you saw in the videos.
No, for me, it checks like all the boxes. It's comfortable, looks good. It's, you know, fat. I mean, they're all like 28 miles per hour maxed out. So it's really, you know, do you have the power? Does it give you the pop? And it does. It's a 750 watt motor, but it's 1100 watt peak. So it'll pop you up. It has the full suspension with the fat tires. So, I mean, I was jumping this off of, you know, dumb stuff that it's probably not supposed to be doing, but it handled it very well. I wrecked it a few times, handled it very well. So it's more than capable of like the trails, you know, to be playful, to hit jumps, and then just to ride around town and to have a kid on front of you. We have the handlebars in front. We really like that. I think it has a cruise control function that we haven't even used yet. There's just a lot of nice things about it. It's got the hydraulic disc brakes that, you know, that's something that you look for and you know, kind of the second level of these bikes. You know, it's not, you know, bottom of the barrel. I like the company. There's a lot that I like about this bike. If there was anything I'd say that's a downside, it might be the range. You know, we didn't put this to the test, but I found myself charging it a lot as I was really, just even riding up out of our hill is difficult, very steep. And it takes a lot of the battery to get you up the hill. But, you know, I've looked at range tests.
We're talking about this one right here.
While it says 60 to 80 miles potentially, you know, if you're a 200 plus pound guy and you're you know, hammered down on the throttle the whole time, you're probably only getting like 16 miles. So that's just something to keep in mind with these. And that goes for all bikes when they give you a range. But, I mean, I really like it. I'm excited that this was the bike that we got to try out first. So I'm really appreciative of REVR. And everybody else that was a part of this. So thank you.
Thank you. All right, also, we just want to say thank you to 65 Rats for letting us use their music. That song's awesome, and it's about the town that we live in. So for our first video, it couldn't have been more perfect. I also want to thank Black Dog.
Pizza?
Yeah, Black Dog Pizza, Woodfire Pizza, down on Merchant Street. It's fantastic if you haven't tried it. But I don't even think they know that we videoed in their place. So we ended the video with you guys. Thank you so much for that. And who else we got to thank? Thanks for everybody, for all of our friends who rode with us and keeps this momentum going. It's so exciting riding in groups like that. And, you know, all of our friends and family that are into this with us, like shout out to you right here. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, we'll be bringing you out all throughout the winter, so we're expecting more out of you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. Great.